Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I shall quickly share a few inputs of mine with you on Zoom app. Before I start, I would like to say why I am making this video. It's because of making you aware on what's happening around. So without wasting your time, let's start this quickly. So what is Zoom app? In recent days you may have seen few reports on Zoom app. So Zoom app is a video conferencing application for cross-platform. Now, what is cross-platform? An application or a software package which is functional over all the platforms as Windows computer, laptop, Android phone, iPhone, Mac, etc. So Zoom is one of those cross-platform applications. Now, if you go to this image, this shows the definition of the cross-platform, which is functional over all the application or all the OS. So Zoom is functional over iPhone, on Android, on BlackBerry. I mean, when it was launched first, it was available on BlackBerry as well. It's available on Microsoft, I mean, which is Windows system, computer, laptop, etc., and on web as well. For your information, Zoom became one of the most downloaded app in India on 31st of March 2020. Using this, you can share files, share your screen, present documents, conduct online classes, etc. If I go for company history, it's based on USA, headquartered in California. It was founded by Mr. Eric Yuan. Now, here is a catch. However, it's an US organization, but it has a couple of sister organizations based on China. Most of its servers are in China and those are not encrypted. So that means if you call someone through this app or video conference or share your files, all the free calls are routed through Chinese servers and which are not encrypted, which indicates that anyone can break into this, and that has already happened. This is Mr. Eric, the founder of Zoom. He founded Zoom app in the year of 2011. He was one of the key executive of Cisco Webex. He founded this app in 2011, and then on 2013, first stable version came in place. As per the recent news, as of April 2020, Zoom has been subject to bans and restrictions by many organizations, schools, and government entities such as Australian Defence Force, the German Ministry of Foreign Affairs, the Indian Ministry of Home Affairs, Google, SpaceX, etc. On 15th of April 2020, it was reported that there were two Zoom 0 days vulnerability which were sold for $5 million in dark web. So if you go to these news articles, these are from The Guardian, the New York Times, the Times of India. It clearly shows that it has been something which caused a massacre around the world. Indian government security agency has warning you for that. Google has banned Zoom application, Zoom software from employees' laptops. You should immediately stop using this app and go for other alternatives. You can go for Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Skype, Google Duo. I believe this is already installed in all the Android phones by default, and you can use that. In India, we still lack there, and we do not have any world-class video conferencing app yet. So here in days, Indian government announced an event for developers to come across to build India's first video conferencing app. If you are interested, visit my government site here, and under innovation you will see this page, Innovation Challenge for Development Video Conferencing Solutions. Last day to submit your nomination is April 30th of this year. So guys, as I already said, this will be a quick video. So without wasting your time further, I'm wrapping this up now. If you have any queries regarding the same, please feel free to put it on the comment section. I shall reply to you all. And thank you for watching this. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day. Goodbye.